Hey guys! Today I will tell you about plywood as formwork material. So stay with us. Plywood, which is a manufactured product of timber, is also used for formworks. It consists number of veneer sheets, or plies in layers. Nowadays, the use of plywood formwork increases especially for facing panels. The reason behind it is that the plywood formwork provides smooth finish when compared to normal timber formwork. Hence, finishing cost may reduce by the use of plywood. For formwork, special type of plywood, called exterior plywood, is used. The veneer sheets of exterior plywood are bonded with strong adhesive to make it watertight. The plywood boards are available in thicknesses from 7 mm to 32 mm. In general, plywood of size 1220 by 2440 and 18 mm thick boards are sufficient for most of the works. For curved structures, special types of plywood with sufficient thickness are also available. Advantages of plywood formwork. Plywood can also be cut into required size easily. Plywood is strong, durable, and light in weight. Plywood provides smooth finish on the surface. Very large size plywood sheets are available, which makes the construction of formwork quicker and easier. Curved formworks can also be prepared using plywood. When compared to timber, it gives more number of reuses. Disadvantages of plywood formwork. When compared to timber, it is costly. Thin plywood sheets cannot sustain the weight of concrete. They may bow out if proper thickness is not provided. Types of plywood. Plywood varies dependent on the width of area, ease of production and affordable prices. Russian plywood, Brazilian plywood, Vietnam plywood, Indonesia plywood, Finland plywood, India plywood, Malaysia plywood, Romania plywood, birch plywood, poplar plywood, beech plywood, spruce plywood.